Hi, good morning guys. Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Africa, guys. A special good morning actually. We're here in our village in Jamaica, Kahale. So today again, it's just a continuation of me building a chicken coop right here in Africa, guys. So yeah, I'm actually going to start my video from here today. And the gate is actually installed finally. Even though it's not well done, but we are okay. You can say that yeah, we have a bit of security. We actually have security, but only that the way these guys install the gate, I'm not 100% happy with it. Let me show you guys. So that is basically how it's opening, but you can see that the rail on top is short, and also as we go on this other side, it only leaves those wheels, it only leave like a bit of space. So I'm worried that maybe it can actually, if you open it too much, it can actually fall on someone, like on this side, because the only balance it has is just right there. So if those things miss, then the whole lot of this thing can actually fall. And also somewhere down there, it's not like straight, the gate is not like straight where they joined it, it's a bit like this. So when you close, it's leaving a little bit of space, which you don't want. But anyway, this is how it is. Okay, so that is it. I want to say a million thanks to you guys that have been watching my videos. Million thanks to you people that have supported me in this particular journey. I'm very happy, very excited. But now we have this beautiful gate covering our entrance. The only other hinge that I have is this pole. It's actually on the other side. It's like it's in the way, so it defeats the purpose of me having like a big entrance, because there's that pole. So but we're happy, we're excited, we have security. Thank you so much. Thank you, a million thanks actually to you people that have donated this particular gate to me as Samson the roadman. Really appreciate, and may God keep blessing you. You can see our maize also needs to be, we need to remove the weeds in the maize. It has just really grown. Some of it is actually outgrowing the maize, which is my worry. And we haven't even put is it urea or something? Yeah, but this side not much actually, this side, but going down this way, hey, it's a lot of weed that needs to be removed. Yes guys, so around here you can hear some noise. This is purely a construction site, guys. This village is transforming slowly. It's transforming, so I can hear people making some noise this side. They are actually putting up a roof on a certain house, so you can see the two green roofed houses, but this one over there is just being roofed right now as we talk. Okay, but I've started the works here, mixing the cement and the sand over here. So this is where we are going to start our job from, our big job for today. The wheelbarrow is ready, guys. The water is ready. Oh my goodness. So you can see it's development everywhere, but we're also doing a bit of development here, developing this property. Yes, guys. So from here, what I intend to do, I'm going to build up to about the third block here. Go up. This is going to be a window. This one. This is a window, the whole lot of it up to here. So the window for the chicken run is supposed to be very big, actually, even bigger than this, but for this size of a house we're gonna leave it there, you know. So it's going to be maybe a 2 meters by something, by 1 point something, you know. That's how big it's going to be. Even so, we're going to have a window here, and this is our entrance. Immediately after the entrance, 2 blocks here, another window start from here all the way up to somewhere here. Yes, somewhere here, another window, big window, guys. Yes, so this is a project that we started doing by faith, guys, and you can see blocks are coming in, guys. And I want to say thank you so much to those that have supported me in this journey by buying me such number of blocks. There it's about 100 plus there, and these are about 100 also. So I'm going to build using these, but what we need is basically now it's cement and quarry. Cement and quarry, that's what we need. So a 20 ton of quarry actually here costs about it's 5,300, 5,400, somewhere there. So 5,000 kwacha, that is, which is about how much in dollars? I think it can be 300 or so. Yeah, 300 US dollars. That's it. A 20 ton of quarry. Sand, it's 3,500, somewhere there. That's how much you buy quarry sand. And sand, in dollars, how much is it? Maybe 170, 160 US dollars, somewhere there. Yeah, somewhere there. Anyway, that's how much you buy a 20 ton of sand. Okay, so guys, we are starting our job from here. Thank you so much for joining. Remember to like this particular video. This channel is all about traveling, real estate, and farming content. So if you like any of these things, you are actually on the right channel. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys won't miss like any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the Roadman, and we're here in our village. So watch this video from start to the end, guys. Subscribe, that's the main thing. Subscribe, guys. We're on the road to actually 50k subscribers, so please go ahead and hit that subscription button, and then you'll be part of the family. Thank you so much. Let's go. guys, I'm simply working now as a deckable, mixing this tough job. Tough job. Yeah. Okay guys. Alright guys, let me give you a quick update. Again, we are building this is our beautiful chicken coop right here in our African village, guys. So this is where we are, right at my cottage, and the sun is basically settling, but you can see from this side, this is how far we've actually gone. You can see the door is defined. This is the entrance. This is a big window here. So I don't know how it is done, but I've left a 2 meters window. So it's gonna be a 2 meter by I don't know, 1 2 3 4 5 blocks. Yeah, a 2 meter by about 1.5. Yes, that's how big it's going to be. So I don't know if that is enough. Otherwise, we can extend it up to somewhere here, you know, or maybe we just make it like 3 meters. 3 meters window. But during the cold season, again, that would be too much. So I think this just came, you know, into my mind and said, okay, I think a 2 meter by 1.5 is okay. So this is exactly what we are doing here. So there's a big window over there, and there's another one right over here. Okay, so this is also another big window. So the chickens will be running around in there, laying their eggs and stuff. Okay, so we've continued to build, and on this other side I'm actually going to continue here, going down that way. Yes, and we are putting this wire, guys. I don't know if it's called a conforce wire or something. Yeah, something like that. This is what it is, you can see. So we're going to build even this side. This side, I don't want to have a window on this other side. So the only windows will be those two. That one and that one. The big windows. I hope there will be enough to get some sunlight in there. You know, sunlight. So otherwise, let me know what you think. If the windows are big enough for a chicken coop such as this one, guys. Okay. Yes, we are right here in our village, guys, trying to build this. And you can imagine, I'm not a trained builder. I'm not a very experienced builder. The only thing that I've built apart from this is just the wall fence from that entrance to the corner there. After that, we've moved to this, and I'm loving it. I'm loving this job, actually, you know. So you guys, you can give me a bit of such kind of jobs. Yes guys, building small things for you, you know. This is it. So the work is still going on, and I still have a bit of that. So otherwise, I'm loving it. Slowly by slowly, I'm becoming a builder, guys. Is it a builder or a bricklayer or something like that? But this is how far we've gone today, you know. So I'm actually going to build a bit more, and then yes guys, I'm going to give you the last update. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm ending my video from here today. This is how far we've gone. The properly defined entrance, and on this side you can see I built this part as well. Okay, this is how far we've gone, guys. Yes. Alright, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Hope you guys have found value from what I've been able to share with you today. Yes, I'll see you in my next video. Remember to like the video, subscribe and share if you can. Bye, take care of yourselves.